Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's discussion, we are going to take up mitosis, which is a type of cell division which happens in somatic cells or the body cells. Now, what is mitosis? Mitosis is also termed as equational division because it leads to the formation of daughter cells with the same number of chromosomes as it is present in the case of parents. For example, the parents have two N chromosomes. It will lead to the formation of daughter cells with 2N chromosomes. That means diploid organism or the parent cell will lead to the formation of diploid daughter cells. Now the mitosis is divided into two main stages, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. The word karyon means nucleus and the word kinesis means division. So division of nucleus is termed as karyokinesis. Now, the second part is cytokinesis. The word cyto means cytoplasm and kinesis means division. So, division of cytoplasm is termed as cytokinesis. Now, karyokinesis is further divided into four stages or the four phases. Now, let us see those four phases. The first phase being prophase. Now, in prophase, in case of animal cell, we can see the centrioles moving apart to the opposite poles. However, it is absent in the case of plant cell. We can see the nuclear membrane has disappeared, nucleolus has disappeared, the chromosome have become distinct and the chromosomes were already duplicated with the sister chromatids joined together with the help of a centromere. The spindle fibers can be seen at this stage between the two poles or the centrioles. In the case of animal cell and in the case of plant cell, between the two poles, you can find the spindle fibers. Now let us look at the second stage, that is metaphase. Metaphase has the main characteristic that the chromosomes are aligned in the equatorial plane in the case of metaphase in both plant and animal cell. Like in case of plant cell, you are seeing the chromosomes being aligned in the equatorial plane. And in case of animal cell also, the chromosomes are aligned in equatorial plane. The centromere attaches to the spindle fibers. And at this stage only, we can easily study the structure of chromosome. Now, the next stage is anaphase. Now, anaphase is a stage in which we can see the two sister chromatids moving apart towards the opposite poles in case of animal cell and in case of plant cell. And it happens due to the shortening of the spindle fibers. And you can additionally find the furrow being formed in the case of animal cell and the cell plate being formed in the case of plant cell. Now, in the case of animal cell, this furrow formation is centripetal type. That means it is moving towards the center. And in the case of plant cell, you'll find that it is centrifugal type. It will originate from the center and then it will come towards outer ends. So this is centrifugal type. And this is centripetal type. Now, after anaphase, the cell enters into another stage called telophase. Now, this telophase has the two daughter cells moving towards the opposite poles. The spindle fibers have already disappeared. You can see no spindle fibers in this. Nucleoli is reappearing. The chromatin is uncoiling and uncondensing. And the nuclear membrane is reappearing. Here also nuclear membrane is reappearing. And the cleavage keeps on deepening and the cell plates keeps on being made. And then finally a stage is reached where the furrow has deepened so much that it leads to cytokinesis or the division of cytoplasm in case of animal cell. And in case of plant cell also, there are two daughter cells formed. Let me draw it for you because it's not made. And the nuclear membrane has reappeared, the chromosome has uncoiled and formed the chromatid, and the nucleolus reappears. Now, these cells which are formed are with twice the number of chromosomes, or the two sets of chromosomes are there as it was present in the case of parent cell. The parent also had 2n cells and the daughter cells also have 2n cells. In the case of plant cell also, both have 2n cells. So mitosis mainly always happens, I can say, in the somatic cells. Now, in the next discussion, we are going to take up the significance of mitosis, the differences between mitosis and meiosis. So, hope you are liking my lectures and these are easily understandable to you. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.